And our favorite thing, shopping.
You make me happy.
Right time!
You just have to trust me with what I'm about to show you, okay? Okay.
Wowza Rooney. I could have been a lefty for the rest of my life after that moment.
Oh, I'm excited. Day 2.
Wait. It's day 3 for vlogs.
Right. Welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas. Yay! Here we go.
We're going off into the city again. I can still see. Wow, oh my god, that just made the camera look so much clearer.
Yes, we are heading into Central Park today, hopefully, even though there's a ton of rain, but we're gonna do it. Hopefully hit the friend's apartment. We'll see. It's kind of last on our list. Definitely hitting that Harry Potter store. And then, oh, McGee's. You really wanted to go to McGee's, so we're gonna kind of try to check that out.
It's based off of How I Met Your Mother.
And then our favorite thing, shopping. Going to the shopping district today. We can't wait. And hitting up the little places like maybe Krispy Kreme again. We'll see. And like Lego store, Nintendo store, because we are amazing. But yeah, looking forward to it and keeping you guys posted.
Yay. No, thank you. Not today.
Hope that wasn't a sign.
A sign for what? Making you happy makes us happy. You make me
They
happy.
didn't make us happy when we came in.
No, they did not. You just have to trust me with what I'm about to show you, okay? Okay.
Okay, we found it.
We found the tree.
Okay, then.
Wowza Rooney.
Have a good night. Thank you.
You just fed a horse.
That horse almost bit my finger off. My hand off. I could have been a lefty for the rest of my life after that moment. That was terrifying. I was thinking like, oh yeah, this is gonna be like a nice, like cool, like video. No. Bazooka almost took my hand off. He almost bazookaed my hand off.
He didn't look happy.
No, that's okay. Whatever.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day.
The Adventures of Pataki and Romanowski will be back. This isn't over. It said hold small children by the hand, so Erin, don't get
Please be advised, the stop button is for emergency.
Just because people think I'm 14
I'm kidding.
doesn't mean I am. I can drive. Look, I pour my own milk for my cereal.
Place. And honestly, that pizza place was like a highlight. I love that, so I'm grateful.
We got more Krispy Kreme donuts, and what is that?
This is birthday cake. It's a specialty. Happy birthday.
To who?
Myself.
To Jesus.
I'm cut. Oh my god. Erin.
Oh wait, I have my other one in there. Oh well. I'm eating.
Oh well, eat a fresh one.
I'm eating two anyway.
Oh shit.
No. Guys, some crazy lady went off on our driver.
Oh my god.
On our shuttle. Yeah, it was not pleasant or fun. Very uncomfortable for like 10 minutes. Okay, wanted to show you because I'm actually gonna finish this vlog in a minute, but we have a Krispy Kreme donut hat. Just a regular baseball hat, which is cute. And then we got more donuts, so I think I'm gonna have, I didn't finish the one that we got from yesterday, so I think I'm gonna eat that one now. I also have to edit this video, but I haven't been watching YouTube at all, and it feels like so weird. I was like, I'm thinking to myself, I feel like there's like something's missing in my life, and I was like, oh, there's like 7 YouTube videos that have been uploaded that I have not watched yet. So we'll see. I really like today's thumbnail. It's kind of cute. Well, today's videos. Well, yesterday's video. That's cute. Oh, you can see who I'm subscribed to. Oh my god, now that Dan and Phil uploading every day, I haven't even watched any of the 3. So Tuesday, 5 videos that I get to watch. Yeah, I'm listening to Jess and Gabriel's So Far It's So Good podcast, and I think they have Matt and Abby on. I don't know much about those 2. I tend to like stay, I have TikTok. I sometimes I love posting on TikTok because I love like just doing like the funny sounds and all that, but I use it to send videos. Like I'll scroll for about like maybe like 10 videos and then like turn it off, and then if someone messages me, I'll go back on, look at it, just see who I'm following. I don't follow a lot of people. Like the only people I want to like fully 100% keep up with on TikTok,
We're not talking.
let me see who are like, there's like, okay, there's only a couple people that I'm like I must like know when you post. Is Alfie Days for sure, Zoe Suggs, since they like both have it, they don't use it, but like when they do, Talia Mar, my friend Nicole, Emily, and then Anna Satar. Kelly Berglund, love it when she uploads. Shay Sullivan, I love it when she uploads. And Step One. Yeah. But then I usually find out they upload TikTok because they post it on Instagram. Yeah. I haven't been on my phone at all today. Oh. This was like 24 hours ago and it's still good. It's 11:30 and I've literally been catching up on my YouTube videos for the last like hour and something. Okay, so today was great. Even though it rained, we had a great time. We saw the tree, bless. We saw the tree, Central Park, McGee's. It was so good. It's based off of How I Met Your Mother, and I love that because it's one of my favorite shows. We got ice cream. We got donuts. And yeah, and tomorrow's our last day. We're just gonna go shopping at the mall. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow for day number, well, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. So, done this 3 days in a row so far. Day 4, here we go. Wow. What? I'm getting delirious. I'm gonna go. Good night, everyone.